Where does the apple go? Where does the basket go? Show me B for basket. C for carrots. C for carrots. C for carrots. A, B, C. D for duck. E for egg. Show me where the egg is. E for egg. F for fish. You got it. G for grape. H for house. H for house. I for insect. I for insect. J for jump rope. J for jump rope. K for keys. L for leaves. M for moon. N for nest. N for nest. O for octopus. P for pear. Here. P for pear. P for pear. Q for quail. Birdie. Look for the bird. Q. R for ring. R for ring. Savannah, ring. R. Q R. R for ring. Come on, ring. Look, Q R S. Ring. Goes right there. S for sock. Right there. S for sock. Where's the sock? You okay? T for tie. Where's the tie? U for umbrella. V for vine. Where's the vine? Remember? U-V. Vine. Savannah, vine. No, not there. Vine. W for whale. X for x-ray. Y for yo-yo. You're okay. Y for... No. Y for yo-yo.
Yarn.
Well, you told her yo-yo. So
Yeah, that's true.
Y. Mama. Come on, you have one left.
Come on, put the Y where the yarn is, baby. There you go.
Look, Z for zipper. Look, do Z. Do Z for zipper.
That's it, baby.